My name is Doug Lindsay. I got sick at 21 and I spent the next 11 years homebound and bedbound until I developed the surgery that fixed me. Over the course of my illness, I was able to work with 35 senior faculty at 28 different institutions. Eventually, I was able to build the medical team to perform the surgery I needed. Then I bet my life on the operating table, and it paid off. I've won a national first court case protecting patients' rights, developed new uses for 5 existing prescription drugs. I was part of the Emerging Leaders program for Stanford Medicine X, and I even wrote, directed, produced, and starred in a full-length feature film, a comedy called Rough Cases. Now I help people like you learn the skills it takes to make unlikely things happen. What do you want to learn? How to measure whether you're truly doing your best? How to innovate even if you're not a creative? How a true understanding of hope, not optimism or pessimism, powers innovation, learning, and breakthroughs? I give custom keynote speeches full of practical advice on the role of hope and character in life and in problem solving. And I design workshops to teach the skills it takes to make unlikely things happen or to tackle specific creative challenges. So how can I help you? Send an email to info@douglindsay.net today and let's start the conversation. And remember, if there's a way to do something, there's a way to do it better.